Hello students, welcome back. We are dealing with the different types of corrosions in which first topic just which we have covered is the pitting corrosion. Now next is the waterline corrosion. Now this waterline corrosion is particularly carried out in the in the tank of water where there is a lot of water is stored. Now just it is a water tank in which you can see that up to this particular level water is totally filled. Now in this case generally we found that those large water tanks wherever they are used, which are made by iron or steel, at that time just below the portion of the level of water is generally get corroded. Now how it occurs? So you can see here this particular edge of this tank. Now as it is this one is just a 2D diagram, but whenever we see in 3D diagram that level which is just circular level of this water tank, at that particular below the level of that water where there is a found, there founds the maximum amount of corrosion occurs. Now how this process occurs? We have already seen in case of that particularly the electrochemical corrosion or wet corrosion, there are two types, galvanic and concentration cell corrosion. In case of concentration cell corrosion, that differential aeration method which we have already seen, in that case a strip of metal which has been partially dipped into the electrolytic medium, in that case those portion which is getting maximum amount of electrolyte or which is getting minimum amount of oxygen gets corroded, because there is a formation of or creation of that electrode potential, difference in their electrode potential. So that's why those material which is getting less amount of oxygen will act as an anode. Means in this case those portion which is just below this level of water, this portion will act here as an anode. So we know that on anode always there occurs the reaction of, just like this, on anode there is a reaction of oxidation, means Fe which gives Fe di positive ions plus 2 electrons. So which is nothing but the reaction of oxidation, and these 2 electrons which are evolved by Fe are accepted by this particular oxygen which is present in this media. So with that oxygen there is found that water also. So half of O2 plus twice H2O. In this way we can get half of O2 plus twice only H2O is there. So in this way we can get twice OH negative ions, and that twice OH negative ions, so this it was first of all OH ions, but that OH negative, it is because of addition of these 2 electrons. So in this way on the right hand side we have got Fe di positive and OH negative, and at last we can get the product FeOH by 2 which will remain here at this particular place. So particularly just below the level of water will act as an anode, while those portion which is above the level of water, this one, it will act as a cathode and get protected. So here there occurs a corrosion, this total portion can be damaged due to if a higher amount of product of corrosion is found there, and corrosion has been occurred if on a higher extent. So in this way we can get here the product of corrosion. So this is the waterline corrosion. Such type of problems can be arise to the marine engineers because of presence of lot of plants into the ocean or seas or in water where that ship is there. So due to presence of that plants, sometimes the different type of parts can be getting the less amount of oxygen, and there is a found more corrosion. So such type of condition can be combated by using particular anti-fouling agent on that ships. So whenever it is totally polished by that anti-fouling agent, so it can be protected. While in case of a pitting corrosion can be minimized, or can be such type of protection corrosion can be prohibited by the using of the particular paint and properly use of that paint. So that paint should be totally proper, there should not be any type of impurity before the use of that particular covering or particular type of anti-fouling agents. So here also there is a possibility, means it can be protected or minimized and this is the type of then water line corrosion. So it can also be asked for next time, or number of times it has been asked. So in this way, this is the water line corrosion. Thank you.